Hello, Math Wiz! Welcome back to Quick Math Fix, where solving is easy and fun. Today, we'll learn how to divide fractions using a simple trick that you'll never forget. Let's say you bake 2/3 of a cake, and you want to share it equally with 3/4 of your friends. How much cake does each group get? To divide fractions, follow the magic steps. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, change the division symbol to multiplication symbol, flip the second fraction upside down. So, you keep 2/3, you change the division symbol to a multiplication symbol, and you flip 3/4, which turns into 4/3. Now let's solve it. 2/3 divided by 3/4 becomes 2/3 times 4/3. Multiply the numerators, so 2 times 4 equals 8. Multiply the denominators, 3 times 3 equals 9. So 2/3 divided by 3/4 equals 8/9. So the final answer is 8/9. Each group gets 8/9 of cake. I hope that you learned something today. Remember our motto. Math is not magic. It's method plus mindset. Just remember, keep, change, flip, and you'll never slip. Thanks for watching Quick Math Fix. Subscribe for more fun math videos and challenges created by Math Champ Philip, turning confusion into confidence. Credits: thanks to Teacher Lorelai O. Casonete. Concept: Philip Javen P. Nieves. Voice and script: Philip Javen P. Nieves. Animation: Canva and PowerPoint. Music: free source. Subscribe and like!